Making Cash App auto-accept payment is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make Cash App auto-accept payments. Cash App is a peer-to-peer mobile payment service that allows individuals and businesses to send, receive, and store money electronically using a mobile app. It enables users to send money to friends, family members, or anyone in their contact list. You can link your bank account or debit card to the app to fund your Cash App balance. Cash App also provides users with a cash card, which is a physical debit card linked to their Cash App account. This card allows users to make purchases at physical stores or withdraw cash from ATMs. Additionally, Cash App allows users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin within the app, making it easy for individuals to invest in cryptocurrency. Users can even set up direct deposits to receive their paychecks or government benefits directly into their Cash App accounts. Cash App offers a program called Cash Boost, which provides discounts and rewards when you use your cash card at select merchants and restaurants. Due to its simplicity and user-friendly interface, Cash App has gained popularity and become a popular choice for sending and receiving money among friends and family. Now, to begin, start by opening the Cash App. Once you're inside the app, navigate to the Balance section. To do this, simply locate and tap on the corresponding icon. Scroll down a bit until you find the option called Recurring Deposits. When you've located it, go ahead and enable the Auto Add Cash feature. Enabling this feature will prompt you to specify how often you would like to add cash. You can choose your preferred frequency from the available options. After selecting the frequency, you will be asked to provide the specific date on which you would like to add cash. Additionally, indicate the preferred amount you wish to add. At this stage, you will be required to provide a card for the deposit. Please ensure that you have a valid card linked to your Cash App account before proceeding.